Hey guys, welcome to Financial Advice. This is a channel about investing and talking about finances. My name is Ashton, and I was just looking at the stock market, looking at the different indexes, and the market is down today. It was down yesterday. It was down the day before. What is going on? A report came out recently, data about inflation. In April, inflation was up about 4%. And as you can see, it's May. It takes a while for us to get data on inflation to come to a point to where we can interpret what's going on. And inflation is pretty low. It's been low for the last decade. The inflation rate has been around 2%. 4%, that's double, and it's was a really fast and quick jump upwards. And here we are now in May, and I believe we're here with experiencing inflation. We all know it. We can see it at the gas pump. We can see it with the milk. When you go out and you buy a case of beer, or if you're getting any beef products, especially if you're doing your grocery shopping weekly, or if you manage your budget and you keep track of different expenses from groceries to your utilities, and you've probably noticed that your grocery bill has gone up on a monthly basis. I don't expect that inflation will be a big impact in the long term. The experts are saying for like the spring season, it's going to be there, and then it's going to just kind of settle down. Demand is really high for a lot of items right now. Personally, I believe inflation will be here for about maybe a year. And it's not going to be crazy. It'll be around 2 to 4% on any given month. I don't think we're going to be jumping up all crazy or hyperinflation or into any crazy conspiracies that people get up and involved with inflation. Because inflation can be very bad with your money system. And we just had a lot of money put into our economy. We still have money being put into our economy, but we have a really big economy. It's really big. We got a lot of stuff going on in our country, and money just is moving. It moves fast and it's going everywhere. So, what can you do with your investments in the stock market? Well, first off, don't try to micromanage anything. Anything that's long term, let it be. Your retirement accounts, let them be. My apologies, my phone is just going off. I am a busy man. And so don't try to fix things. If the market dips and you see that your portfolio is down, these things happen. It's happening to everybody. Now, here's the key, though. Here's the key. It's having money put aside already. And for a lot of you, if you're hearing this tactic for the first time, it might be too late to have, thousands of dollars ready to invest in a opportunity. But, tech stocks will probably dip if the inflation carries on and the data shows next month that, hey, we are experiencing higher inflation than normal. Then yes, the stock market is going to continue to dip. That is the effect of inflation. And so if you've got cash on hand, an opportunity might arise and you just reinvest into a low, undervalued company. Now, just keep your investments going if you've got a 401k. If the market is going down, just keep buying in. Maybe you can change the contributions into your portfolio. Maybe you go into bonds or different investments. You could also look at precious metals, but a lot of investors for the short term jump into gold or into silver. You could also move into utilities or anything that you can think of any industry where people need this item regardless of inflation. They're just going to keep buying this product because it's a need. And guys, that's just my quick tip on inflation and on the stock market. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope it was educational. As always, check out financialadvice.blog. Like, comment for any questions that you have. Maybe I'll give you an answer if I know the answer. And subscribe, and thank you again. Later.